So good afternoon once again, and welcome Shabir sir, and welcome Balian sir. Okay. So I was just discussing that at times we don't understand when we are seeing dream and when it is real. Fine. So today, my colleagues, Shabir sir, a name in his field, and Balian sir, so they are together. And this has been one of the dream which we have been nurturing, that the time has come after this prelims exam and every year that the distinguished teachers in their respective domains, they should come together and guide the students. So this has been the objective, that we are together. The other members of the team are also there. So we just want to introduce you about our upcoming general studies courses. So in case your friends, if you are already enrolled, it's anywhere, it's fine. But we expect that you spread this message to your friends, get to know about this particular program. And now I request Shabir sir to address you and tell you about the program. Yes, sir.
All of you, good afternoon. Bruno? I can use this. Okay. Yeah, so thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah. So thank you again, madam, for initiating this process. Very happy addressing you guys. You know, audience is there. Okay, good, nice, lively audience. Madam is your rock star performer. Okay, हम लोग सारे band वाले हैं. Okay, so I think the action should start any one of these days. The whole idea, I mean, just reiterating what Madam said to all of you. It's been some time we are watching what's happening in the ecosystem. And मैंने कुछ दिन पहले भी कहा था यही चीज, that we belong to an age where the process of study, the methods of how a topic is studied, the process of answer writing, it's a skill that you hone very slowly, gradually and patiently. UPSC का preparation is not a fly-by-night operation नहीं है. Lot of aspirants तो हैं. I mean, if I can use the word brutally here, while the aspirations are huge, but the competencies are compromised. And इसमें आपकी भी गलती नहीं है. जिनका कसूर है वो भी बेकसूर इंडिया में है. The main reason is you come from an education background that is very different from what UPSC demands. UPSC लिख के ले लो will not lower its standards of questions. If you look at the questions of class 10, when I'm teaching my subject in my class, I've shown, okay, look at the questions quality in class 10th board, class 12th board dekho. Now they're talking about those, intuitive thinking wale questions. You belong to a time when the education pattern was a bit different. It's almost 5, 6, 7 years ho gaya, some of you have left that pattern. Last 2 years mein, the pattern has changed dramatically in the schools. Expectations have changed. But unfortunately, hamare ecosystem mein, the teaching pedagogy remains the old pedagogy. And somewhere, because I think UPSC thoda glamorized ho gaya hai. Okay. So a lot of aspirational teachers have come in. Good, nice, it's good to be among the young ones. But I think jo old method of approach tha, ek concrete method tha, until that happens, you will suffer. There is no way out. And it's not, I'll say, accidental that people qualify 5th attempt mein, 6th attempt mein, which is a gross, I think, waste of your efforts. when you can learn those processes in 1 or 2 years. What you need is a good process, a good method. And ये कहने वाली बात थी कि GS का पेपर है. The questions of GS demand depth. I could see questions in geography, I teach geography, I teach environment. The questions demand a depth of optionals in those subjects. So, and look at the questions of essays for that matter. Okay, it was hardcore philosophy discussions चाहिए आपको. So, looking at what's happening around us, okay, not complaining about others, whatever. So, we have been colleagues earlier. Okay, me and madam have taught together for some time. अच्छा खासा time we have spent together teaching the same institute, same. So we know each other. Okay, we are coming together here. I'm more than happy to invite you all the process. And एक important part है इस study process में. You need to have that trust in the teacher. I mean, it's like, you know, I tell the students, आपको जो research करना है कर लो. Once you join a class, okay, two things important: have patience and have trust. Okay, it will happen, but there's a method to it. Abhi mains chal raha examination ka, I am struggling to explain the questions to students. Likhne ki baat chodo. Question ka meaning kya hai? I'm taking half an hour for per question. Writing baad mein aata hai. First is thinking skills. अगर सोच ही नहीं पा रहे हो तो लिखोगे कैसे आप? So UPSC coverage is about developing thinking skills. Why some people, एक debate है कि is UPSC biased towards some type of students? No, UPSC demands a type of thinking. What thinking for some students comes because they are part of a teaching method already. But for most of you can learn it. आज के डेट में कोई सिखा नहीं रहा है the thinking processes in your course coverage. Okay, so with some experience that we have, Balyan sir in history, I in geography, madam PSIR, IR, we have Vikas Ranjan sir in social issues is a neglected area. A paper one ka अच्छा खासा topic is society, and paper two can say almost half of paper two is society and social justice and governance. And social justice governance with a bit of understanding of political thinkers, okay, environment issues is what becomes ethics eventually. Okay, so that's the idea, all of you. Welcome to join us. And I'll take the liberty of announcing that we will be competitive in our offers. We want students to be with us because we as optional teachers का problem ये है, हम optional पढ़ा लेते हैं. Okay, but GS is something, we are grouping with. So you should be part of the same ecosystem. I am strictly against that mode of study. Okay, go to different centers for different modules. You will never gel into a proper learning system. So आप एक ही जगह रहो. Okay, try to adjust your studies with optional. GS method is optional. Now that you are here, you trust madam. Madam is a huge name. You've been with her as PSI students. So hang on with us there. We'll be here teaching you. We have a method. I think we have an approach in live answer writing. We'll have approach in daily questions. We'll have approach in your practice, revisions, whatever you need. We also have mentoring programs. There's a full stack ultimately when we come out with. And those who have taken admissions in other institutes, I think we are more than happy to have you in. आप बस अपना दिखा देना receipt, your invoice, whatever. Okay, Vatsals यहाँ पर हैं, they'll all manage all of that. So that's the invitation to all of you, and don't delay this process. If you ask me, 2007 ka preparation should have started at least maybe 1 or 2 months earlier. Okay. The moment you think, you debate too much, then you are trapped again. Start off as quickly as possible. The target should be, if you're starting from now, try winding up your foundation GS wala part by December, by January. Then you can spend good 4-5 months only on prelims. Because the plan we discuss kar hi lenge. I'll be there teaching to all of you and discussing with all of you. So anything else you want to ask, you ask us. Or maybe, sir, if you can address, you want to say something there. Anything else you wanted? Yeah. Yeah, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Sabir sir. And I feel so good to be with all of you, such a bright group. And you must always be thankful to madam, the kind of efforts she puts. Very few can even think of doing that. Starting at 8 o'clock in the morning and going till night 8 o'clock. So that's commendable. See, nowadays, GS preparation has changed a lot. You have seen the paper this time, you have seen the paper last time, you have seen last 4-5 years. So every year things are changing fundamentally. हर साल 1000, 1200, 1500 बच्चे मेरे पास आते हैं GS हिस्ट्री पढ़ने के लिए. मैडम के पास भी उतना ही बड़ा नंबर या उससे भी ज़्यादा आते हैं पॉलिटी गवर्नेंस पढ़ने के लिए. सबीर सर के पास भी बहुत बच्चे आते हैं ज्योग्राफी एनवायरनमेंट पढ़ने के लिए. ऐसे ही अगर आप इकोनॉमी को देखें, अगर आप साइंस को देखें, सो ये जितने भी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं सभी इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स इन एवरेज मैनर, if you master, let's say, history, polity, governance, geography, environment, 70% is done. And we will not be only 3 teachers here. We'll have the best of the faculties for economy also, for science and tech also, similarly for paper 4 also. So purpose of coming us here is not to market us, okay, you should join us. No, that's always your call. Our purpose here is to help you out as much as we can. Because all of us started maybe 21, 22, 23 years back. And all of us have achieved a lot in life, what we needed individually. आपकी एज के बच्चे हैं अब हमारे घर में, और जब हम अपने बच्चों को देखते हैं स्ट्रगल होते हुए, वास्तव में हमें लगता है यार ये बच्चे भी ऐसे ही स्ट्रगल करते होंगे. बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं हमारे बच्चे भी कहीं ना कहीं किसी क्लास की कोचिंग के लिए जाते हैं. एंड व्हेन आई सी देम रियली आई फील यार हमें ये फीलिंग पहले क्यों नहीं आई. कितना स्ट्रगल आप लोग करते हैं खाने के लिए, रूम के लिए, कोचिंग क्लासेस या फिर टेस्ट पेपर्स. देयर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ थिंग्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो जो रियलाइजेशन हमें हुआ है पिछले 3-4 साल में, जो हमारे बच्चे बड़े हुए, बिकॉज कहते हैं ना जिस घर में बेटी ना हो वो तो घर ही नहीं है. ऑनेस्टली बेटी होने से पता लगता है कि घर होता क्या है. बेटा है, बेटी है, मेरा इंतजार कौन करता है? बेटी करती है. बेटे को लगता है अरे पापा जी फिर आ गए, और बेटी से लगता है कि हाँ ये पापा जी देर क्यों हो गया. दिन में 5 बार फोन कर लेंगे, बेटा तो एक बार भी नहीं करेगा. या नहीं, आप लोग भी ऐसे ही करते होंगे अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ में. सो दिस हैज काइंड ऑफ टॉट अस व्हाट इज काइंड ऑफ रियल लाइफ. और हमारा साथ में आने का पर्पस भी यही है कि आप लोग जहां बैठे हैं बैठिए. Don't worry about anything. Madam is here to guide you, and you'll be standing by the side of her because she has immense experience, she has immense knowledge, and you all are seeing her. So हम हैं यहाँ पर मैडम का साथ देने के लिए और मैडम के थ्रू आपकी हेल्प करने के लिए. As far as history and culture is concerned, everything what you will face, my responsibility. We'll sit with you individually, we'll sit with you in a group. We'll give you test papers, we'll give you writing practice, we'll give you best of the notes. हिस्ट्री में जिम्मेदारी मेरी है, ज्योग्राफी में जिम्मेदारी सर की है, एनवायरमेंट की. मैडम को तो आप जानते हैं, इनके लिए तो हम कुछ कह ही नहीं सकते. Because the kind of work she does, we can just try to emulate. Because she is a real mother here. And mother का तो रोल पता है आपको फैमिली में होता क्या है. So मैं बस इतना ही कहूँगा आपसे that you are at the best place. If you need any help in GS, you are welcome here. सब यही बोलते हैं. किसने बोला? लेकिन हम आपको ये करके दिखाएंगे. रोज हम कर रहे हैं ना यार. GS को मुझे पढ़ाते हुए 15 साल हो गया. हमारे पास में ऑनलाइन में 20-25 हजार बच्चे होते हैं हर साल.
ये ना हम लोग बोले नहीं कभी, हम लोग करते गए. तो आप काम कर सकते हैं, रिजल्ट ला सकते हैं, आप बोल सकते हैं, दोनों जगह तो नहीं.
देखिए मैडम ने किया है, बोला नहीं. हम बोलते भी हैं, हम करते भी हैं. हाँ, तो आप निश्चित रहे. मैडम इज स्टैंडिंग हियर, डोंट हैव टू वरी. And whatever the course will join here, whatever the help you will need, you join or don't join, doesn't matter. If you need help, you can sit with the teacher. You don't have to worry about that formality also. सबीर सर ने कहा कि भाई किसी ने कहीं एडमिशन ले लिया हो, आपको वहां अच्छा लगता है, कीजिए, 4 दिन यहाँ बैठिए, विल टेक केयर ऑफ रेस्ट. So once again, thank you for this opportunity, and you all are welcome to our GS program. Everything, whether date and scheduling out, everything will be displayed to you here, and welcome everybody.
So thank you, Balyan sir. Thank you, Shabir sir. And thank you, students, for giving the audience. And the only thing we will expect from you, you spread this message to your friends, fine, so that if they are interested and they for this particular type of guidance, because you need to understand that this is a competition and we have to do something extraordinary. Then only out of lakhs of people we can get some assurance that your name will be in the list. So something has to be extraordinary and something has to be very different that differentiates us from the crowd. So we will very soon announce the date and the workshop, and you can inform your friends. You are also most welcome to join some of these classes. Okay? So thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah.